We need the funding to be able to, not only to be able to have jobs, but to do the work that we need to do. And so even just a little bit of money, a little bit of cuts will mean that we'll lose jobs and lose the ability to do the experiments we want to do. It'll affect my future. At the moment my future is uncertain as it is. If it just keeps getting harder, it'll get to the point where it's just too hard to keep fighting. And so I will probably have to move out of medical research.